Come on, get ready! Come on, get set! It's time for the Sesame Street alphabet!
Ribbit. G is for Grover. H is for hawk. I is for insect.
The cat goes meow, 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 meow. The dog goes woof, 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 woof. The mouse goes squeak, 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 squeak. And the fly goes buzz, buzz, buzz. The horse goes neigh, 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 neigh. The pig goes oink, 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 oink. The sheep goes baa,
And a tuba blow. Yeah.
and the cow goes moo, moo,
And me for
moo.
violin!
These are the animal sounds. These are the animal sounds.
For you.
The hen goes cluck, 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 cluck. The duck goes quack, groan, groan, groan. The seals go bark, 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 bark. And the seagull goes squawk, squawk, squawk. These are the animal sounds. These are the animal sounds. The owl goes hoot, caw, caw, caw. And the cuckoo goes coo, coo, coo. The
Q is for queen. A queen who likes to quack.
R is for Rosita!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.